Hi, welcome to my Python tutorials. This video I'll show you how to create a threaded programming in Python. So first we have to import the required classes from the threading package. So from thread import the thread class. That is sufficient to implement a simple program. Create the user defined class my first thread, and this is derived from the thread class. So derived, okay, and define the init method. So this is the way we initialize the Python classes. So self is the self-referencing parameter, or we can call it as a pointer, and give a definition inside. So I write a statement thread dot, just call the constructor or init method of my parent class thread and pass the self reference and set a name for my thread as well. Give the name of my class, okay, my first thread. Okay, init method is done. So it's time to define the run method. So by default every Python program functions take a self reference, especially when it is defined inside the class. Okay, what is run method? Run method actually implement the logic. So you can put your logic here, whatever you want to do, that need to be coded inside the run method. Okay, so I'm going to write a single statement here, printing. I'm saying, hey, my name is, that is what I'm going to print, comma, I use the get name method, self dot, so which will retrieve the name of the current thread. Okay, class creation is done. It's time to create an object. Let's say process1 p1 equal to my first thread, and just call your function start. Okay, what is start method? Start method is used to invoke the execution of the thread. Thank you. Thank you for watching.